So remember the long call or the short call, or long put or the short put. The meaning of long and meaning of short in both the cases, that is in case of call option or in case of put option, is still the same. तो अगर मैं कहता हूँ कि आई एम होल्डिंग अ लॉन्ग कॉल, इसका मतलब मैंने कॉल ऑप्शन परचेज किया हुआ है. एंड इफ आई से आई एम होल्डिंग शॉर्ट कॉल, दैट मीन्स व्हाट, दैट मीन्स आई हैव रिटर्न अ कॉल ऑप्शन, यानी कि मैंने कॉल ऑप्शन को सेल किया है. तो बहुत बढ़िया सवाल है. और याद रखिए दोनों ही परिस्थितियों में whether you are talking of the call option or you are talking of the put option, in both the situation meaning of long will be bought position, meaning of short will be sold position, meaning of long will be bought position, meaning of short will be sold position, and that is what you have to remember. And why do you have to remember this? Because many times when you are reading in Economic Times or Financial Express or Financial Standards or DNA or any other magazine, or you're reading any book on derivatives, uh, unless and until you have a clarity about what is the meaning of long and what is the meaning of short, it really becomes difficult to read and understand, whatever that we are trying to read or understand, because it's quite confusing. Long, as we will understand typically, has got to do with the duration. Short, as we will typically understand, has got to do with the duration. But in the context of derivatives, or in the context of the derivatives, whether future or options, in both the cases, long का मतलब ये है कि आपने खरीदा हुआ है, और शॉर्ट का मतलब ये है कि आपने बेचा हुआ है. तो अगर मैं बोलता हूँ आई एम लॉन्ग ऑन इन्फोसिस, इसका मतलब मैंने लॉन्ग इन्फोसिस के ऑप्शंस खरीदे हुए हैं. इफ आई से आई एम शॉर्ट ऑन इन्फोसिस, इसका मतलब मैंने इन्फोसिस के ऑप्शंस बेचे हुए हैं. राइट. सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. सो अब जो लॉन्ग कॉल बोलेंगे तो उसका मतलब, इफ यू से लॉन्ग कॉल, दैट मीन्स you have bought call option. If you say short call, that means you have sold call option. If you say long put, that means you have bought a if you say long put, that means you have bought a put option. If you say short put, that means you have sold a put option, and that is how it would be. I hope that answers your query.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good.